Hello YouTube, this is Johnny. This video I'm going to quickly show you how to hard reset your Infinix Note 8 phone. In my case here I have the Infinix itself. I'm going to go ahead, the phone is switched off, and I'm going to go ahead and click the volume up key and the power button. I'm going to hold them at once, and when I see the logo for the Infinix, then I'll release them. So I'm holding them. So when I see the logo, I'll release the buttons. Then I'll release the buttons, and then this will go to the command mode. So when you go to the command mode, this is what we get. I'm going to show you the sequence you have to click in order to go to the command, to the recovery mode. You'll click the volume down key first, and the power key second, and the volume up key second. So when you reach this step, you're going to go ahead and, let me focus a bit. You're going to go ahead and go to wipe cache partition, but to navigate you're going to use the volume down keys and volume up key to go to navigate, then the power key to accept changes. So I'm going to click down to wipe cache partition first, then I'll say yes, and then the next step here I'm going to go ahead and go to wipe factory, volume down, wipe data, factory reset. Then I'll click volume down, then I'll do the process again like that. Then after here I'll reboot the phone, and then I'm going to come back. When the phone reboots, you're going to wait for it to start until it goes to the startup on the other side. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to pause the video, then I'll wait for the phone. So now the phone has gone to the part where that shows where we set up our phone. So when you reach this stage, you have to go ahead and select the language you're going to use. And in my case here, I'm going to start by, I'm going to use English. Then I'll select the country, in my case Uganda. And I'll click next. Then to ask for a SIM card, in our case I'm going to skip, I don't have it right now. Then when you reach this point, it will ask for a wireless network. Let me put the password. Let me pause and put the password. So after inputting the password, I'm going to click connect. So right now here, I'm going to show you how to bypass the Google account in my next video. But here when it goes to this part, you just go and say agree. Next. Then to scan for updates, and then to go ahead and ask for a Google account. So in my next video, I'm going to quickly show you how to do that also. So you have to stay tuned. So you have to wait for it. So this is where we have reached now. Then to ask for this, to copy data, in my case I'm going to say don't copy. And then it's going to ask for the previous PIN code that you used to unlock for the phone. In my case, I know the PIN code, but in your case to ask for the email instead. So if you don't know these things, you have to make sure that you know everything that you're doing. So this is where you'll end up going. In my case, I'm going to very first put the email and show you how the process goes.